Hello students, welcome to Dr. Shoraf sir classes. As you know, we are solving the paper of UPSC maths paper. This is optional, those are this mathematics optional. They will find this video quite useful and helpful for them. So this is of paper 1 we are solving of 2021. So this is section A, part 4C. Okay, so let's see the question first, then we will solve. So we have to find the equation of the plane containing the lines. So these are the two lines. Also find the point of intersection of the given lines. Okay, so first we have to find the equation of the plane, and then we have to find the point of intersection of the given lines, right? So the equation will be first, then we have been what we have given. So let us write this. Okay, so we have this x plus 1 by 3, y plus 3 by 5, z plus 5 by 7, right? And this is x minus 2 by 1, y minus 4 by 3, z minus 6 by 5. Now let us take this as R1, say. So this is equation number 1, and this is as R2. So this is equation number 2, right? So the equation of the plane containing the line 1 and 2. So what will be the equation of the plane? That is the first question we have. This containing the equation, containing the line 1 and 2. So it will be given by, so we have x plus 1, y plus 3, z plus 5. So this is 3, 5, 7, right? And this is 1, 3, 5. This equal to 0. Now if solving this, so we have this x, now solving this, what is x plus 1? So this is 525 and 21 is 4. Similarly, this will be minus of y plus 3 multiplied by 8 plus of z plus 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 0, right? So from here, if you simplify this, so just take out the 4 out of it. So we have this 4 common, 8 and 4. So it will be, we will have this x plus 1 minus 2y minus 6 plus z plus 5, this equal to 0. So the equation is x minus 2y plus z, this equal to 0. So this is the equation of the plane that has been told to, we have to determine. This is the equation of the plane. Okay, now let us take this as equation 3. Okay, so instead of this Roman, we can take this as numericals actually. So this is equation 1, equation 2. So from here we have equation 1 and equation 2, and let us then consider this equation as equation 3. So this is the equation 3. Okay, now this is the equation of the plane. So any general point on line 1 on line, this equation number 1 is given by 3r1 minus 1, 5r1 minus 3 and 7r1 minus 5. Let us take this equation number 4. Similarly, any point on this general point on line 2. So this will be R2 plus 2, 3 R2 plus 4, and 5 R2 plus 6. Let us take this as equation number 5, right? So if a line 1 and 2, this line 1 and 2 are intersecting, then from 4 and 5 we can equate this as 3 of R1 minus 1 is equal to R2 plus 2. So this simplifies to 3R1 minus R2 minus 3 equal to 0. Let us just take this equation as 6. So this is 5 of R1 minus 3 is equal to 3R2 plus 4. So simplifying this, we have this 5 of R1 minus 3 of R2 minus 7 equal to 0. So let us take this equation 7, and finally we have this 7 of R1 minus 5 is equal to 5 of R2 plus 6. So from here, simplifying this, we have this 7 of R1 minus 5 of R2 minus 11 equal to 0. So let us take this equation 8, right? So we have 2 unknowns and 3 variables. So simply from equation 6 and 7 we can find the value of R1 and R2. So this R1 by 7 minus 9 equal to R2 minus 15 plus 21, and this will be 1 by, okay, so this is 3 7, okay, now so 1 by minus 9 plus 5. So this is, we have R1 by minus 2, R2 by 6, and this is simply 1 by minus 4. So from here we can calculate R1. R1 is simply half, and R2 is minus 3 by 2. Okay, now putting the value of this R1 and R2 in 4 and 5. So this, from 4 we can find so from 4 we have this 3 by 2 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 3, and 7 by 2 minus 5. So here we have this equal to half minus half, simply minus 3 by 2. Now from 5 we have, so from 5 okay, so from 5 we have this minus of 3 by 2 plus 2 minus of 9 by 2 plus 4, okay, and it will be, the final will be minus of 15. So it will be minus 15 by 2 plus 6. So simply here it will be, we solve this, it will be half minus half, and it will be minus 3 by 2, right? So here you can find the same point, the intersection point is the same. So this is the required, point of intersection, okay, and we have already find the equation of the plane. So this is the equation of the plane, okay, x minus 2y plus z equal to 0, and find the point of intersection. It is half minus 3 by 2. Okay, so this all for this question for C. So next, in the next video we will start with the question number 5, that is a section B.